This is called scheduled duration. 15 seconds is set up. As we hit quick capture for the first time, it goes on, says 15S. 15S will shut off once it reaches there. We want to do it again. We press quick capture. This will happen until you quickly shut the camera down. If you don't want to take 15 seconds, you just shut it down. How to set it up? Press mode on. Long press on the badge. Right at the bottom is duration. You can set duration from 15 seconds up to 3 hours. We leave it on no limit to take our shot, and to save it, press the side button and then back out.